कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
Hello and welcome to this episode of Market क्या लगता है. Truncated week followed by truncated week and we are having double the action and it's really fun. Market sometimes amazes us and with the kind of swings and unpredictable actions, and still there is a lot of ways to tap this uncertainty, tap and identify the kind of move market is throwing at us. Now when we look at this entire week, the most beautiful thing which has happened in this particular week is that the bullish target for Nifty, they got completed on the very first day. And surprisingly, last but not the least, the Bank Nifty target of 33,932 got completed today. So a very interesting kind of a week. Bias is bullish. In the meantime, there was a bearishness in market, and all this, I would say, volatility or uncertainty is leading us, giving us better gains day by day. Chalo, let's go to today's morning message which I shared with the group. I was late in the morning. So yesterday we saw a quick retracement from our important target of 14,781, which was for Nifty. Now these two targets of 14,657 and 14,781 got completed on Monday itself. Today being last day of the expiry and also week, because tomorrow is a holiday, trading holiday or market holiday on account of Good Friday. So today's move will be crucial. Today I am taking a pause to understand the trend. Yesterday was a surprise package to us, and as the important resistance is shifted to 14,800 for Nifty and 33,500 for Bank Nifty. For the first half of the day, these levels were maintained, and then I revised my levels at about 2 o'clock, right? And that's when we got a breakout as well. So more updates will follow. If we are below these levels, the bias is bearish. Be watchful, right? Be watchful, and that precisely was the reason why I was taking a pause to understand the market in a really better way, and then as per the price action unfolds, we could take the trades. Now what I have done now, in spite of the fact that I'm saying that I'm taking a pause today, I initiated few trades, right? So this was my message at about 9:43. These were the trades that I initiated today. So 9:30 I initiated these trades. I had sold 14,800 call options for 45 rupees, and I also sold 33,400 call options for 226 rupees. And then I was trailing them here. These are the trailing messages. Understand the process. It is called as a trailing stop loss, right? Or trailing your profits, so that the profitable position will not turn into losses. And what better day today than to understand these things? Because today, if you see, these very options of 14,800 at a later stage ran away and went to a higher price. 14,800 it was. So a 14,800 option went up till 66 rupees, right? I had shorted at 44 rupees. So this is how market works. Fantastic it was. And then I kept on posting these messages about the levels, how the levels were changing, and I kept on posting about it. Then I kept on posting about that stop loss, trailing stop loss, how I kept on changing it. And then this was probably the final thing, where it was prior to where I closed this position. So 17 rupees where it was trading, and 132 where the Bank Nifty call was trading, and I had trailed it at 175.73. Then I actually changed this even after this message, and then again I actually covered it somewhere. So this is where 11:15 both the stop losses were gone, both the trailing stop losses were gone. It was something plus 30k, and then after that I got some breakout trade as well that I traded in futures, but I kept on talking about a lot many levels, and the levels were shared on the Telegram channel as well. So this was expiry, and I believe this must have helped to many of you. So Telegram channel now slowly gathering the momentum, and I'm getting some feedbacks as well. People are happy with the trades that I'm sharing over there, the view that I'm sharing over there, and that is helping somehow a lot many people. I'm really happy for that, because that's what the whole purpose was. This exercise I'm planning to carry on up till 3 months, and after 3 months I will review this. So make most of this time. If you have not joined the Telegram channel, please find the link in the description below. So this is a weekly chart of Bank Nifty, and this is a weekly chart of Nifty. And after our last week's message about the bottom being formed, and then from there the market did a very wild kind of a gap up on Tuesday. Right, Tuesday. So after Tuesday's action, now if you check on hourly chart, this is how it looks. So this is the low that has been printed, and from there this is the high. 14,862 are important level, right? So now it is working as a resistance as well, and now I believe that Nifty might breach this level. Now what if Nifty breaks above this level? What are the targets that we can expect in the coming week? Now as we can see, the market, even though it is bullish, many of the stocks are showing signs of a fake breakout. So there is a breakout happening, and after a breakout, again the prices are falling back within the range. So probably we can see an example of a quick example of Hindustan Unilever. So of breakout, trying to break above, and then again closing back. Then there is Titan, right? So these kind of scenarios are going to happen. Why I'm mentioning categorically about this? This is not a stock market basic video. We are talking about market kya lagta hai here. But then again, my simple point of analysis is that you will find plenty of stocks which will portray as if they are going to break out. Investors, traders will be jumping onto these opportunities, thinking that this is a bottom being made. They will go and buy stocks, equity at these prices, and then again they'll see some correction happening in market, and that process or that particular period is going to be little painful. So how do we deal with that? So here right now I can see two target. So important target, let's say I'm just removing this previous targets from here. So hourly target, first hourly target will be this level. Bullish target of 15,042. And let me just change this in coordinate. Right, so this is one level, and another level that we have here already 214, but I want to change this as well. So I'm changing it to this level of 254, 15,254. Now these targets which may or may not complete. Now market is pretty uncertain or pretty fragile, I would say. I'm using the word fragile here is because if market reach to these levels, we cannot say that it may remain bullish from these levels. If we can see a fall, if we may see a fall, and in that case market will very quickly reach to this level of 14,200 again. Right, so you have to be cautious. I will not say that I am extremely bullish on this current market. I'll be cautious. I'll be watching how this market action is happening. I'm still expecting that there is a possibility of this 15,000 getting completed, but I'm not sure about the journey from this 15,000 to 15,250, right? And in between, anywhere we may see a profit booking or a reversal kind of a market, and there has to be some correction, and then after that correction the next phase may start. But then we have to be cautious right now. So this is about Nifty. Two targets we have seen, 15,042 and 15,254. And when we are talking about Bank Nifty, similarly, as we can see that the bottom was formed a day prior, and then these are the 3 days which are showing us whatever action that has happened in this particular week. So when we go on to hourly chart to check this action, Nifty after formation of this bottom, now this is where Nifty was a day prior to yesterday, and after yesterday's fall and after today's rally, it has miraculously again reached to this level of 33,932. Now how do we look at it? From this level, the target that I'm expecting is 419, 34,419. I'm just changing this. References of Fibonacci have changed, so 419, 34,419. Right, so this is one of the target that I'm having, and this is an important Fibonacci level. I'll let this remain like that. Also, let me just change this target as well. So this is the hourly target. I'm changing this to current level of 960, 34,964, 34,964.50. Right, so these are the two targets that I'm looking for Nifty. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. While we are seeing that the market has considerably retraced, this phase will be a rapid phase. It has to be a rapid phase. So next week we should get a clarity about it. Right now, there is no sign of bearishness as of now. But I am sure that after this rally, after completion of this rally, we may see price retracing, and then from there we may still see a continuation of a bearish trend, and then the coming week will unfold the further action. Let us take at this crucial point, I feel we should take one day at a time. So let's take one day at a time. Don't have huge overnight positions, and in coming days we'll get a clarity about why I'm saying that don't keep huge overnight positions. So more about it in coming days and in coming week, but right now have a cautious approach, and if you are trading in options, be nimble and book timely profits. Right, thank you so much for watching this, guys. Wish you all the best.